Welcome to our YouTube channel MedBasic21. You can subscribe, like and share.
Now our discussion about bacterial cell wall of gram-positive and gram-negative.
Composition of gram-negative bacterial cell wall. Lipopolysaccharide. Phospholipids. Lipoprotein. Peptidoglycan, murein, thickness 7 to 10 nanometers.
Figure, gram-negative bacterial cell wall.
In the gram-negative bacteria, the cell wall is relatively thin and is composed of a single layer of peptidoglycan surrounded by a membranous structure called the outer membrane. The outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria contains lipopolysaccharides, also known as LPS or endotoxin, and lipoproteins. In gram-negative bacteria, the outer membrane is usually thought of as part of the cell wall.
Composition of gram-positive bacterial cell wall. Techoic acid and peptidoglycan, murein, thickness 20 to 80 nanometers.
In the gram-positive bacteria, the cell wall is thick, consisting of several layers of peptidoglycan. Closely associated with the layers of peptidoglycan are a group of molecules called techoic acids.
Structure and composition of peptidoglycan. Bacteria have a cell wall containing a semi-rigid, tight-knit molecular complex called peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan, also called murein, is a vast polymer consisting of interlocking chains of identical peptidoglycan monomers. A peptidoglycan monomer consists of two joined amino sugars, N-acetylglucosamine, NAG, and N-acetylmuramic acid, NAM, with a pentapeptide coming off of the NAM.
Thanks for watching. You can subscribe us.